Right, this is the third time I'm recording this, unfortunately. So I'm actual speedrunning it. Coming in today, bias was 50-50. I was leaning both bullish and bearish. Leaning more bearish overall due to the LR down here. And these key levels up here look very nice to short off of. So what I said in the Discord was 50-50 for bias today. I can see shorts and longs playing out. Just we have good sell side and good buy side draws and liquidity. I'd prefer shorts due to the nice 1 hour intermediate high aligned with a 50-minute gap and the 0.705 fib level, coupled with a nice stack of lows we have, and the fact we haven't rebalanced the full bullish range since the ceasefire news for Iran and US, making my bias in a bit more bearish, but it does depend how market opens. So how market did open, we ended up opening bullish, coming up, tapping into 50% of this range and taking out this 5-minute intermediate high, or this buy side liquidity here. Ended up SMTing it. But before this, we did, where is it? Here. So I did take a trade before this. We took this initial short here off the 1-minute gap right here. And then I ended up entering here. Break even at this low here. See that one? I marked it right here. And then TP, could have edged the 1-to-1, but I never ended up doing that. And I probably would have just held it to first TP at this low here, and then for the other draws lower as runners. I ended up getting break even on that trade, because we never ended up sweeping out London and Asia high on ES. We were just edging it. So very, very avoidable break even or loss, because I did end up re-entering this off the CISD on my other account that has less profit. The reason I did that is because I was kind of confident in the draw, but I shouldn't have done it. It was kind of an emotional entry, because I didn't want to miss out on the trade. So I decided not to take it on my main account because I was close to a payout, but on my other account I decided to take it. Ended up losing 250, but then we ended up getting the resweep, forming an SMT with this high here, and then we ended up getting a 2-minute inversion, relative equal lows for the TP slash break even. I had my break even as this low here, and then ended up entering off the 2-minute inversion that we formed after resweeping the high with an EQ of the range, making an SMT, and then I end up entering here, full TP at this sell side here from my main account to secure a payout, and then I left runners on the other accounts to this low, this low, this low, and this low. I ended up taking partials on my secondary account, or my other funded account, securing me break even on that account, and then I ended up leaving runners to this low, and then I was going to leave it to this low, but we ended up rejecting back up, and then just before it took me out of break even, I manually closed around here, securing me around 400 on this account, on the other account, and then 600 on my main account, totaling on 1000 on the day. We did have a re-entry here off this 5-minute, 1-minute inversion. If my hang loads, there we go. 1-minute inversion here. You could have definitely took that as a re-entry if you did miss the initial entry. Probably would have been break-even trade. I probably would have went break-even here. Depending on your conviction, you might not went break-even, but I probably would have went break-even there with a stop loss, something like this, with a TP like that. So definitely could have took that if you didn't go break-even. Fair dues, fair dues. And if you did miss the initial trade, then that's fair enough. We did react off the CISD here as well, which I didn't notice until now. So more comp for shorts to play, since we're reacting off the CISD here. But yeah, overall very good trade. I am speedrunning this recap a little bit now because I've done it now 3 times, and I really don't want to do it again. If I have to do it again, I might crash out. But that's alright, because it'll have to be done. So yeah, we ended up getting that. ES was quite slow today, just chopping around. SMT this low here, yeah, this low over here. Got a big SMT, rallying price higher. We did leave the equal lows on. Yeah, we did leave the equal lows on ES. Just leaving a lot LR for maybe next week or maybe tomorrow. Don't know. It depends. Maybe even the next few weeks down the line, because we are quite far away from that now. It just depends how we react off previous day high, really. But we do still have those equal low. Like, holy shit, actually. Yes, moved. Damn. News actual pushes price, like, holy shit, Trump does what he wants. But yeah, solid day today. I'm just gonna post this, and hopefully, oh yeah, whoever you were that commented there is no audio, I appreciate that, because I was not gonna realize there was no audio on that video if you didn't comment. So I appreciate that. Yeah, overall, this is a like there's nothing else for me to go over. I've went over it like 5 million times already. Accumulation, manipulation. We reswept the high, very very clear. Um, just inversion model. It's not a mech model because obviously it's not targeting any unfilled gaps, but very very nice discretionary short. And yeah, that's it. Well, peace. Enjoy.